Hi! Welcome back sa Raven's Journal. Ako si Raven. Kung nagpaplano kang kumuha ng bahay gamit ang Pag-ibig Housing Loan, siguradong iniisip mo. New house o pre-owned house? Sa video na ito, i-compare natin ang pros and cons ng new house versus pre-owned house, mula requirements, approval process, hanggang sa amortization, para malaman mo kung alin ang mas pasok sa budget at lifestyle mo. New house. Galing sa developer. Usually mas organized ang documents. Mas mataas ang presyo. Mas may warranty at modern amenities. Pre-owned house. Galing sa previous owner. Mas affordable. Documents pwedeng kulang o kailangan ng verification. Mas flexible sa location. Tip. Depende sa preference at budget, pero parehong pwedeng ma-approve sa Pag-ibig. Requirements difference. New house. Developer usually provides complete documents, TCT, tax declaration, house plan. Mas simple ang approval process. Fixed amortization from developer. Pre-owned house. Seller must provide transfer certificate of title, TCT. Tax declaration. Deed of sale. Pag-ibig evaluates documents carefully. May dagdag na steps, like notarization, transfer fees. Tip. Kung gusto mo mabilis, new house is generally easier for first-timers. Loan approval process. New house. Straightforward application. Developer accredited sa Pag-ibig. Fast evaluation. Pre-owned house. Extra step. Property evaluation and verification. May risk na delay kung documents incomplete. Sometimes kailangan additional verification from seller. Tip. Pre-owned houses can take longer, but sometimes mas mura ang overall loanable amount. Interest rates at loan amount. Pag-ibig loan sa new house. Fixed interest rate. Loanable amount depende sa developer price and income. Pag-ibig loan sa pre-owned house. Same interest rate, pero appraisal ng property crucial. May limit ang loanable amount kung lower ang appraisal versus asking price. Tip. Check your Pag-ibig housing loan calculator para malaman ang monthly amortization sa parehong option. Maintenance at future costs. New house. Modern amenities. Usually lower maintenance in first few years. Warranty sa electrical at plumbing. Pre-owned house. Mas mura sa down payment. Pwedeng kailanganing repair or renovation. Long-term maintenance cost pwedeng mas mataas. Tip. Include maintenance sa budget para realistic ang monthly expenses. Alin ang mas okay para sa'yo? Choose new house kung first-time home buyer. Gusto mo ng less hassle sa documents. Budget is sufficient. Choose pre-owned house kung mas gusto mong makatipid sa down payment. Flexible ka sa renovation. Marunong mag-check ng documents or may legal help. Walang wrong choice, basta alam mo ang pros and cons at ready sa requirements. Ngayong malinaw na sa'yo ang pagkakaiba ng new house at pre-owned house sa Pag-ibig housing loan at kung alin ang mas madaling ma-approve, may isa pang mahalagang tanong para sa mga OFWs. Pwede ba akong mag-apply ng Pag-ibig housing loan kahit nasa abroad ako? Sa susunod nating episode, pag-uusapan natin ang Pag-ibig housing loan para sa OFWs, step-by-step guide. Kung paano mag-apply, requirements, tips para mas mabilis ma-approve, at kung paano mo mapapadali ang proseso kahit nasa ibang bansa ka. Kaya huwag palampasin, para handa ka sa bawat hakbang patungo sa sariling bahay mo. Kung nakatulong ito sa'yo, like at subscribe para updated ka sa Pag-ibig housing loan series at sa iba pang mga videos. See you sa Raven's Journal.